Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create this fun and easy alien landscape cake. All you need is a cake, buttercream and some imagination. This tutorial suits any level of cake decorating skills. I did bake the cake and I cut off the top of it and then I cut it in half. To add moisture to my cake, I used simple syrup. This cake is a part of rocket ship cake that I made, so you don't have to center it or dowel it if you don't use any gravity-defying cake above it. To stick the cake to the cake board, I use a little bit of buttercream, and then I just layer my cake and then I spread a thin layer of buttercream in between the layers. You can do as many cake layers as you want. I needed only 2. My cake was already a little bit rounded, so I didn't do any carving. However, you can carve your cake in any landscape you want. I covered all cake in buttercream and I smoothed it out. It's a landscape, so it doesn't have to be perfectly smooth. I brushed some water all around my cake board so that sugar paste or fondant would stick to it. And then I rolled out some sausages that I connected to make a circle and placed them all over the cake. I used the same fondant or sugar paste that I'm going to cover the whole cake in it. As well, I placed randomly other shapes to help me create my landscape. Once I'm done, I'm covering my cake and the cake board in fondant. I rolled out my fondant a bit thicker than usual because I'm gonna indent it a lot. And now all I do is shape it with the help of my hands and tools. This is the landscape, so it can be as messy as you want to. With my ball tools, I'm gonna define those little volcanoes. However, if you don't have ball tools, you can use your fingertips and pinch the edges. Using the same ball tool, I leave some marks on the landscape. It's a really fun cake to make for kids because they can do it themselves and they really have fun with it. You can add as many details as you want. You can add rocks, you can pinch it, you can add pebbles, you can add some sprinkles if you want. And now I trim off the excess fondant around my cake board to make it neat and tidy. Later I'm going to use a ribbon to finish off my cake board. And now I'm using unsweetened cacao powder to add color to my cake. As well, I will be using other food color powders and tints. You can use any color you want depending on what alien planet you're doing. Check out my other tutorial how to make easy alien cake toppers out of fondant to decorate this cake with. Thank you for watching.